Hey guys, I'm back with yet another portfolio review. So today I am showing what my portfolio looked like last year. It's pretty plain white background. I kind of went with a lighter theme. I'm starting to choose more lighter themes now just because I know that most recruiters are not technical. So for non-technical people, the general design rule is go for a lighter theme. So you can read, I've got a little bio here. I've got the words that are faded. They used to be the React typed, where it would just type it out and then the cursor would just move back and forth for each word. But I want to do the fader just because literally everybody does the React type. It's really not even special anymore. Uh, One of the challenges I had was making this whole image fixture here responsive, but I eventually got it done. And yeah, it looks clean, nice. And then I've got these little image cards here explaining some of the things that I do. Now, one thing I like to say is that it's probably might be a little bit too broad, and this section probably wasn't needed because when a recruiter comes here, they want to know either stuff about my data analytics or they want to learn about what am I doing with cloud, what are my skills with cloud, or what are my coding skills. So right now all they know is I'm on social media and I know three different coding languages. They don't know anything else. And then they see, okay, I have these skills, but I haven't really shown anything yet. So right now, I could lose a recruiter right here, just because these days people, the average person's attention span is really, really not there yet. So like a lot of these people, they're looking at your stuff for 30 seconds and they're gone. So they make it here, I could lose them. Then we get into my projects here. I took down some of my better projects just because I'm saving them for my new portfolio. And, keep in mind, like, I haven't really updated this much in like a year and a half, maybe longer. So, let's see, you can click on this and it leads to a different website, but it's supposed to lead in a different tab. But as you can see, they can't get back to the website if they don't hit back. And like I said, a lot of these people are not tech savvy. So you want these links to open in a different tab. And the other thing is they may not necessarily know to click on this little orb here. Majority of people, they see this little moving motion and they're gonna immediately just want to click the picture, click the picture, click the card. And so that was a flaw in UI design on my part. So that could really end up making them frustrated here. And I've got 9 projects here, and then they click these are here. It leads to my YouTube videos. Shameless plug. And they can see some of the work that I've done. But like I said again, they won't know to click the orbs. And then they see the GitHub if they want to see my Git for the projects, they can do that, but at the same time, it's just bad UI because they may not necessarily know. But yeah, they could get this far. And then they can scroll down here. It has my skills listed out in my resume. Now here I have a lot of skills. I think that I probably put too many down here because you don't want to put every single thing that you know down here. You just want to give them a little teaser on what types of technologies you can work with. Like, you can put everything else on your resume, but for your skills section, you can just come here and put the stuff that you know that they're going to be looking for. And then they may not know to click these links for tabs, so they can click education, experience, and achievements, but then again, they may not know. Because there's no real indicators. There's no, outside of the cursor pointer, there's no real indicator that these are interactable objects. Same thing with my download resume. It's like you could very easily not even notice it. Now it is better here because I do have the hover effect where it changes color, but like I said, it's not a lot of indication that you can actually interact with it. The other thing I would say is with the design, you come down here, there's no contact page. This is just the footer, so it's just like, okay, here's who I am, here's what type of things I do, here are my projects, and my resume, it's stuff, and that's it. If they want to contact me, there's no contact form. Now I do have a chat bubble over here that they can interact with, but they may not feel comfortable with that or know how that works. So you want to be able to give them the choice to work with a contact form. And then I have my social media links. They may not want to follow me on social media. So like I have it as a choice there, but at the same time it's very plain. Like, and you can see by looking at the rest of the project that there's not a lot of variation in color. It's all black and white with just a hint of red going on. And then I got my little logos here and there. And it's like I said, it's a very clean design. It's much better than the others. It's responsive. But yeah, the design here, it's boring. You want to build something that could catch the eye of the recruiter. And so yeah, these are just some of the tips and things that I've learned over the course of my career. Hopefully it helps you out with your portfolio, or if you're just here to learn about some design patterns or learn about me, then if you're here to learn more about me, then yeah, this is what I do. I build coding projects, I do stuff with data analytics, and yeah, I just wanted to share with you stuff on my journey and what's going on with me. Thanks for watching.